What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video, we're gonna be trying something different, something with my taco. Let's see if you guys can see it right here. I am running 33 by 1250 17-inch tires, and I am rubbing on my body mount on both sides. I had got an alignment because I have the Total Chaos upper control arms, and that pushed my caster a little bit forward, so I still rub, not as bad, but I do still rub. But today we are going to be trying to chop our body mount. I have the body mount plates right here. These are also from Total Chaos. Keep in mind, this is my first time doing this, and this is going to be my first time welding, so we'll just see how this goes. And yeah, wish me luck. Alright, so as you guys can see, these are the mounts right here for the body mount chop. This is the part number if you guys want them. But yeah, like I said, this is gonna be my first time attempting something like this, grinding that off and, you know, prepping it and whatnot. So I honestly don't know how it's gonna go. It could turn out like shit, it could come out decent. I'm not saying it's gonna come out really good, because I've never done this. But I'm gonna jack up the truck, put on jack stands, take the wheels off. They do recommend that you get like a piece of paper, cardboard. You trace out the body mount, trace it out, and then, or body mount chop. This is the plate, and they say to trace it on a piece of paper and to, I guess, put it over your body mount and like outline that, and then that's what you're gonna cut. So I don't know if I'm explaining this well. There's probably better detailed videos, but yeah, let's try this out. Alright guys, so the instructions do call, well, wheels off obviously, and the instructions do call to mark it 3.5 inches from the body mount this way. Oh wow, my fault. So mark 3.5 inches from, you know, chassis, body mount, whatever, 3.5 inches this way, and then that's when you can mark your line, and then, you know, make your little cardboard or paper template, wrap it around this, and then, you know, say where you want to cut. But this is where I am rubbing. Alright guys, so I did cut out my template right here, mark 3.5 inches from the chassis this way. You can see I drew out what we're going to be cutting out, and I guess we're just gonna give it a shot. So I'm gonna get to grinding. We'll gear up and then get to grinding. Alright guys, so it is a few hours later. Well, I would say about an hour and a half later, and we do got it cut. We got that piece right here. I think all I gotta do now is just hit it with like a flat disc, or not a flat disc. I don't know what kind of disc you call this, honestly. You gotta hit it with this wheel now, just to flatten it out. Get everything nice and flat, get it ready for the welding, obviously. The plate does stick out a little bit, so I also might have to hit it a little bit more back. But I mean, the hardest part is done. We already got the cut. Got the cut done. Yeah, like I said, we just gotta make it flat now, get it nice and ready for when I weld the new plate on. But I am gonna end it here. Today is September 30th. Pretty sure this is gonna be, I don't know, maybe 2-3 days, because, you know, obviously I do work throughout the week. I do have a regular job, so I will be doing this once I get out of work. But yeah, I'll pick up the camera tomorrow once I get out of work. The reason why I started so late today was because I didn't get the plate till today. I got it like at 4:30, so I also had to take time lifting the truck, jacking it up, making a little template on the paper, outlining it, all that extra shit. But yeah, this will be the end for today because it is getting dark, and I don't want to be out here too late and keeping the neighbors up with all this noise. But yeah, I'll pick up the camera tomorrow. Actually, before I end the video real quick, I just want to show you guys. This is with the body mount still on. You can see my tire does make contact with it. This is the passenger side. Come over over here to the driver's side. Lock the steering wheel all the way to the left. Obviously, that is in the driver's side. This is full lock. Now we have a bunch of space, about maybe an inch of space, I would say. But shit, I might even push it back a little bit more, to be honest with you. But we'll see. We'll see how it comes out tomorrow. Alright, what up, you guys? Just got out of work. As you can tell, I already cut up this piece right here. Smashed it back already with the hammer, just so I have a little bit more space. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm still gonna try to cut this piece right here, the end of the body mount. Try to cut it and make it as flat as possible. Maybe hit it with the little sanding disc. I'm gonna bring it for right now, but yeah, let's get to it. Alright, guys, about 2.5, maybe 3 hours later. Finished up with the driver's side. While he's cleaning it up, I still gotta grind like the outside, the edges and stuff, so you get a nice area to weld. But driver's side is pretty much done for the most part. Come over here to the passenger side. I'll start up on the passenger side. Pretty much done too. I just have to hit it with the flat disc, and yeah, just like I said, prep it for the welds. Pretty sure I won't be welding until probably tomorrow, just because I want to take my time on it and try to make it good. I'm not a welder, so don't expect the best, but yeah, it's pretty much prepped already. My dad over here hammering in the LX because it was rubbing last time we went off-roading, but I'm still gonna try to clean that up a little bit. Like I said, just waiting for the batteries to charge on the grinder, and once that's done, I'm gonna hit that and I'll show you guys what it looks like after. Alright, you guys, so this is the third day that I am working on my truck. So this is the passenger side. I pretty much got everything cut how I want it to be, you guys can tell, but I kind of have it at an angle, so it kind of helps the wheels. I can't even see it, damn it, I always do that. Yeah, I have this cut at an angle, so the bottom is pushing a little bit more than the top. Like I said, hopefully the welds come out decent at least. Then I can always touch it up with like a grinder, a flat disc. Yeah, passenger side is ready to get welded. The driver's side, I did push it back a little bit more, like I was saying. So the bottom piece on both sides, there's another little circle that was right here. I basically cut that circle out. Cut it at an angle, so like I said, the bottom does sit pushed back more than the top, but the top I still have to hit it with the flap disc because it is a little wavy. And yeah, just once I finish that, prep it for welding again. Alright, you guys, I forgot where I had picked up on this video, or I left off on this video, but I'm picking up right now. It's 6:51 and we had the plate welded. As you can see, welds are not the best. I told you guys I'm not a welder. I tried. Still got to hit it with the grinder. There you go. And I have to trim or grind this side off just so we can set it a little bit more flush. Like I said, it's getting a little bit darker. If anything, I'll just hit this area right here with the grinder just to make it a little bit flat, a little bit pretty. Go over to the driver's side. That's what the driver's side is looking like right here. Not too bad. The top came out kind of decent, but same thing, I still gotta hit it with a flat disc. But yeah, guys, it's coming out alright, better than what I expected, to be honest. I was expecting a little bit worse. The flap disc that I am using, I just recently picked up I believe it's a 36 grit. So 36 grit on the grinder right now, just waiting for the batteries to charge. I also picked up a few use 60 grits, I believe. Yeah. So I got a 60 grit, the 36 grit, and then I also have a 120 grit just to finish it off. Then obviously I still got the paint in and everything, but yeah, I just wanted to update you guys. This is the third day. Plate is finally welded. Yeah, it's just making it look pretty now. Alright guys, it is now Saturday, October 6th? 5th? 5th? Yes. I think so. No, 4th. Saturday, October 4th. We started on Tuesday, which was the 30th, I believe. 30th of September. We're finally done, guys. Like I said, I'm not a welder by any means, so shit is not perfect. I try to get it as good as I could with the grinder and the welder, but there are some spots here and there that have cracks. If you look at it from far, yeah, it looks good. Up close, it's a different story. But yeah, the cab mount chop is done. I don't know if you guys can tell while it's in the air, but I also went and got my fenders trimmed yesterday by Steve Taco. I don't know if you guys follow him on Instagram or TikTok or anything, but he chopped my fenders, or gave it the fender trim. Currently finishing up on the driver's side. Just waiting on the batteries to charge for the grinder. But yeah, we already grinded it a little bit over here. Just needed the back. I already did the pinch weld. I cut them and smashed them in. I'm planning on ordering the C4 fender liners, but yeah, I think I'm just gonna end the video right here since I already got for the most part done. It's just touching the driver's side up, finishing it up, painting it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching another one of my videos. Like I said, I'm not a welder, so I just wanted to give this a shot because I got quoted, I believe it was like $450 just to do this. These plates are from Total Chaos. I paid $25 plus tax, so at the end total like $35, I want to say. $35 for these plates. Like I said, they were quoting me $450 to do everything. Took everything into my own hands. I tried it. I mean, I'm satisfied. Like I said, I ain't a welder, but it came out good. For at least I like it. It came out alright. But yeah, thank you guys for watching another one of my videos. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.